Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Greetings to all Somalis. My name is Ali, and today I would like to talk about Ahmed Rashid and what he has done to me. I am a victim of torture and persecution. Number one, Ahmed Rashid fractured my left leg. Number two, Ahmed Rashid confiscated my properties without court order, and the property's worth was Kenyan shilling 1.3 million. And he gave my properties to his cousin, who is also an Ogaden. His name is Shahiyo. Number three, when I made a Facebook post to complain about Luna Park location, Ahmed Rashid raided my apartment and violently tortured me and beaten me up. Number four, Ahmed Rashid put a pistol on my forehead. Number five, Ahmed Rashid kidnapped me the night when I sent a Facebook post. He kidnapped me and took me to Juja Road location and held me for several hours. Number six, Ahmed Rashid blackmailed and extorted me Kenyan shilling 1.8 million. I am a victim of blackmail and extortion. Number seven, Ahmed Rashid has given me harassment, intimidation, and death threats. Ahmed Rashid has threatened me, and he stated that he will kill me and dump my body to forest and be eaten up by animal. Also, Ahmed Rashid has called my relatives and stated that he will do a body harm and he will kill me and dump my body to forest. Ahmed Rashid has given me all kind of death threats, and that is the reason I left Kenya for my safety. To all Somalis, you know what is going on in Eastleigh. To all Somalis, you guys are aware Ahmed Rashid is an extortionist. You guys are aware how Ahmed Rashid is using the youth from his clan, the criminal youth who are being used to collect extortion from the poor Somali ladies who are selling items on the streets. Ahmed Rashid is also using force to collect extortions from Somali businessmen. Is that really fair? He has been abusing the law. Ahmed Rashid has been using the law because he knows that he is being protected by powerful politicians like Aden Duale and MP Yusuf Hassan and Yusuf Haji's family. So he's relying on these powerful politicians to protect him from any kind of prosecutions. To all Somalis, don't be silenced. You guys need to start waking up. All these poor mothers who are very, very poor, trying to make their ends meet, they are being harassed every day. They are being intimidated every day if they do not pay, or if they do not pay any extortions. You guys are aware what is happening to the Somali businessmen in Eastleigh. The poor mothers, the poor moms who are selling items on the streets. And that is all the information that I want to share with you guys. I personally, I'm a victim. I know what is going on. Ahmed Rashid has two faces. He's pretending to be a very, very innocent person because he knows that all people like non-Somalis are not aware about his secret activities in Eastleigh and Pangani. His activities are being protected by wealthy Ogaden Somali businessmen. All these businessmen, Somali Ogaden businessmen, are protecting him. So all his activities are being protected. So I'm asking everyone, to all Somalis, don't be silenced. No one needs to suffer. Justice must be prevails. Everyone needs to speak up. I've been retaliated, I've been silenced, I've been tortured, and he wanted to get rid of me. He wanted to murder me, he wanted to kill me, he wanted to dump my body to forest. And that is what Ahmed Rashid wanted to do on me. May Allah protect every one of you. May Allah protect everyone from this killer guy. He's a killer. He's an extrajudicial killer. Ahmed Rashid has so much complaints with human rights organizations. Look it up on Google. Look it up. He has complaints with all kinds of human rights organizations, but he is using money to protect himself. He is using the powerful politicians to protect himself. Ya Allah, protect us from all these people. Ya Allah, protect us from all these kind of evils people. May Allah protect all the poor Somalis who are continually being abused by him and his criminals gangs. Thank you, everybody.